Hello buddies and welcome back, it's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can hide your number on outgoing calls on your Google Pixel 7. For that, you want to click that little phone icon here and then go to these three little dots here, click on settings and then go to calling accounts. Then you click on your provider and then you go to additional settings. As you see, it's pretty hidden in the phone. Then you click on caller ID and here you can see network default hide number or show number. So when you click on hide number now, your number won't be shown on the device you're calling. If you want to change that again, you just do all the steps and then show number and then it will show your number. That's how you hide your number on your Google Pixel 7. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.